Thank you for choosing Compaction Technologies. This video is for receiving and installing your machine, as well as returning if necessary. Inspect outside for shipment damage. If there's any damage or if you have questions, call Compaction Technologies at 877-589-6650, extension 5 for tech support. Remove straps from machine. Lift off plywood top and set aside for future use. Also, lift off foam insert from inside. Lift cardboard up and over compactor. Using 1/2 inch or adjustable wrench, remove the 2 bolts on backside of machine pallet base and set aside for future use. Remove 2x4 wood piece set aside. Place plywood top, rails up on edge of base, slanted to ground. Top will create a ramp for the compactor. Insert bolts through the holes in the ramp and into the base. This will secure the ramp. Make sure the electrical cord on the back of the machine is out of the way. Once ramp is secure, slowly roll machine back off pallet. Once the machine is off the pallet, you can now roll it to an outlet. Plug in the machine and use the key provided to open the door. Pull black bin out of machine. Remove all contents, including side shelf and adjustable rail. Reinsert the black bin. Machine can be used with or without the side shelf. It comes with the side shelf ready for right side assembly. Slightly unscrew the top and bottom, front and back, a total of 4 screws from the side that the tray will be mounted on. Both top and bottom now have tabs for your convenience. Tighten all screws on front and back with screwdriver. If shelf is to be placed on left, you will need to remove back rail with screwdriver. You will need to place the rail on the opposite side of where it is currently located. After you remove the back tray rail, you will need to flip over the side shelf, placing the back rail on the opposite side and to the back when it is on the left. After attaching the rail with your screwdriver, place the shelf on the left side of the compactor. Shelf assembly is the same on the left side as the right side. Once the compactor is all assembled, you are ready to shut the door, turn the key, unplug the machine, and roll to its final destination. You are now able to wheel your machine to its location. Plug your machine in. Insert key provided on top right side of machine. Remove black bin from machine and place trash bag in bottom of bin. Keep plenty of bag inside bin for trash to expand and compact into. Fold bag upward at ends to create bag lip. Insert bin back into machine. Shut door. Turn key to the right and remove keys from the machine. Green light should be on. Thank you from Compaction Technologies. To ship the machine, you will need all the original packaging materials. For shipment, you will need to remove the side tray holder by removing top screws and unscrewing the lower screws from both the front and back of the machine. Place side tray holder inside machine, shut door, and remove key. You'll need to remove bolts and 2x4 if they are attached to the bottom of the pallet. Place ramp on edge base. Place bolts through ramp base and secure. Pull front of machine up and onto ramp. Remove bolts from back of ramp and remove ramp. Tape up the cord in the back of the compactor. Place 2x4 on back of the pallet. Place bolts through the 2x4 and the base. Tighten bolts to secure. Once 2x4 is secure, place cardboard over machine. Put styrofoam in top of cardboard and onto the machine at the top. Plywood that was used as the ramp is also the top of the machine. Place the ramp onto the top of the machine. Lay straps on ground under machine. Secure the straps on the top of the machine. There should be 2 straps. Once everything is secure, your compactor is ready to be shipped. Thank you for using Compaction Technologies.